Thank you.
Okay. So there is some pen. So when you come to here, you have to write the uh, today and date and your name and what's your sample and start time. After finish time, after operating the AFM, you have to write an end time. Okay. If there are some problem or some AFM issue, you have to note here side. Um, there is some key also. So now you can open the AFM equipment like this. Okay. Just leave it here. And then open AFM machine. So this one is can have some um, can take some damage from outside. Some I mean the vibration, yeah, from outside vibration. So that can make those stable measurement for when you operate the AFM. So can take some every damage from outside. Okay. So this one you can use this. You have to check the act this side.
Yes.
Act. Sometimes somebody touch other function. So you have to check the act on display before operating AFM. Lock is the very hard. Hard.
Okay.
Yeah, surface hard. You can touch this one. Right? But act mode, maybe it looks like the spring load. Yeah. So, yeah.
Yes. Now movable
Yeah,
and
now we can use the like this.
so we always use in lock mode,
Yeah, act mode.
act mode.
Yeah, activation. Sometimes a computer is turn off, so you can turn on the computer. The computer password is 0000. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, 0000. Okay?
Okay.
And you also have to turn on the AFM controller. Okay? It's kind of power the AFM. Okay, take a seat.
Thank you.
Yeah. This one is cantilever. This cantilever name is the OMCL AC160TS. Okay, name. Okay,
Okay.
5M is how many there are cantilever. So there are 5 cantilever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can separate the after using the AFM non-contact mode. So we can separate the used cantilever. This one is a new one. This one is a broken. Okay. So usually we did the manage the cantilever like this. Okay.
These are tips. This is the shape of tip.
Shit. So you have to find what are the very the properly of your sample. So you have to find on Pakistan size as I give sent you the some site, right?
Okay.
So you can reference take that, and then you can find some cantilever. Finally, you can order some very properly some cantilever yeah, by your sample case. Okay. Now, so you can turn on the smart scan like this. There is a very sharp tip at edge side, so you don't have to touch the edge side, just this here side, the edge side. So you can you can prepare like this using AFM mode. So there is some magnet. So you can use the magnet with the cantilever.
Okay.
And then put like this. The head should be the fixed, so you can put this one just the very softly push this one, not hardly. Okay, you don't have to push or hardly push, because the fixed it's very easily broke up, so don't have to push very hardly, just weakly. Weakly is enough. Like about this one,
Okay.
yeah, you can touch this one. Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Okay. Some people push very hardly to this surface. That's not good idea. Okay. And now you can turn on the laser. Okay.
Okay.
And then you can calibration XY stage. XY stage, the uh, this one can control the sample location. Reset. PSPD online. Before the XY stage calibration, you have to focus on the PSPD. PSPD display this side, this one. This one is the cantilever focus display. Now we can't see anything, but the focus stage, Z stage, focus stage, this microscope location change the directionally Z way. Here side, like this. Okay.
Yes.
Sometimes it's very
So it moves up and down.
yeah. You can control. You can handle click here side and here side. You can control the speed also, like this. Okay.
Yes.
But the display is it seems like very darkly, so you can change the light option, like here, like this. Okay, all right. As I told you, the very you have to be carefully and sensitively from this tip, because it's very weak and very expensive. So I recommend when you use AFM, you have to care first this tip condition. Tilt is a very effect from some touch or pulse. So you have to care of also the tip. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now we can check the tip, right? So finally we can focus on here. This one is this center green target. We can handle it like this. This one already focus on either side, so don't need to the. This one is a laser control. Laser, we can check the LED. Seems like purple or red. Yes, sir. Sometimes the laser is already the location is outside. Somebody did. We don't know who did that. But don't worry about that. You can handle this this one like this. I recommend the first you can buy the razor, and then uh, the move move to the center like this. Okay. The laser focuser will be here side, here side, here side. Okay.
On this green line.
Not green, or more the here side. Up. Here side. Okay.
Okay. Always at this position.
This position. Not here.
Okay.
Okay. Here will be location with the very close to the sample. So here is laser focus or location. At the time, the intensity should be like this one. At least the 3 voltage. Okay, at least. If if when you already focus on the laser focus, laser focus. When you focus on laser, and then at that time you can't check intensity like this. Maybe the tip condition is not good. Some tilt already changed, or the tip already get damaged from some um, from external force.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Just when you handling or using the tip, you can you have to care of this condition first. Now we can focus on the PSPD like this. PSPD can handle like this. Okay. And then this one will be center like this. Okay. The vertical and lateral location should be the tolerance is the 0.5. Okay. 0.5. That's good. Okay. That's very hard. Good focus. But that's not easy like this 0, 0, 0, 0. So it will be okay. Just tolerance is a 0.5 more to the minus 0.5. Okay, that's no problem. Now we can the calibration XY stage. XY stage. Here side, sample side. Sample. Okay, now we did all calibration. Okay. The first turn off the line scan and set up what you use the cantilever AC 160 TS, right? 1C AC 160TS, right? So you can click like this, and what you use the mode. NCM mean is a non-contact mode, contact tapping. So if you want to use the contact, you can click this one. If you want to use the non-contact mode, you can click this one, like this. And then automatically the AFM machine changes some the frequency and some calibration by AFM self. Okay. Like this one is how much you gonna scan. So this is a surface area. If you want the measurement like 10 by 10, unit is a micrometer. You can change this one. Okay. This one is a scan rate. It's 1 hertz. If you change more lower, you can get more high resolution. But at the time, the scan rate depends on time. So if you change the lower scan rate, maybe you need time more long time.
Okay.
So you can decide how can I do. So now, so do you have some sample?
Yes, yes.